Tragic love life of Shraddha Kapoor. Shraddha is now leading actress in Bollywood who charges a whopping amount for one appearance, but this shining star is still unmarried at her 33. Report says that Shraddha was in many relationships that broke eventually. When Shraddha was at her high school, she was in relationship with her childhood sweetheart, Vanraj Zaveri. Vanraj Zaveri is now a Mumbai-based jewelry designer who has multiple business ventures. Shraddha was Vanraj's long-term girlfriend. But their 5 years of relationship ended when Shraddha flew to Boston for her higher studies and Vanraj stayed back in India. Vanraj used to visit his ex-girlfriend Shraddha, but when Shraddha decided to step into Bollywood world, Vanraj broke up with her. After Vanraj, it was Aditya Roy Kapoor with whom Shraddha got involved during her first film Aashiqui 2. Their off-screen chemistry was clearly visible on screen. Though Shraddha never confessed about this relationship publicly, but their relationship was an open secret in Bollywood. After 5 years of their first film, they again got back on screen in OK Janu. Their breakup reason is still unknown in Bollywood. But report says that Shraddha left Aditya because his lack of drive for his Bollywood career. Aditya became alcohol addicted that Shraddha couldn't stand. Shraddha moved on in her life and again her name got involved with her married co-star Farhan Akhtar. Farhan was going through rough pitches in his marital life. Shraddha and Farhan were seen in Baghi Success Party, but their carefree love life didn't last long. Shraddha wanted a committed relationship, but Farhan was never ready for any commitment. Again, Shraddha had to break up with Farhan. After so many breakups and heartbreaks, Shraddha stopped dating Bollywood actors. Currently, she is in serious relationship with Rohan Shrestha. After rough relationship with Farhan, Shraddha met her photographer boyfriend Rohan Shrestha. They have been spotted having dinner dates and movie dates. Both never confessed their relationship publicly, but they were seen always together in B-Town. According to report, after Sahu film, Shraddha came closer to his another co-star Prabhas. Rumor is that Shraddha and Rohan are facing some issues in their relationship.
Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.